Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Behind me is my CVS haul, and I went out with my girls tonight, so I had a little few drinks. So I'm now recording my intro and my outro because I went out. So if you want to see how I picked up these items, keep on watching. And sorry for the late video. Okay guys, so I am picking up one of the L'Oreal here. It's spend $30, get $10 back, and it's $29.49. That's within the 98% rule of $30. So I have two $5 CRTs, and I have a 6 off of 24 CRT. I also have a $4 manufacturer coupon. So after all of those coupons come off, I'll pay $9.49 and I'll get $10 back, making it completely free and a 51-cent moneymaker. Okay guys, so the next deal I'm doing is the Eucerin. It's spend $20, get $10 back. I'm picking up 3 of the intensive repair lotion at $6.59. So for these 3 products, it's going to be $19.77. I have a 4 off of 20 lotion CRT, and I'm going to be using 3 of these $2 coupons. That's gonna take $10 off. I'll be left to pay $9.77, and I'll get $10 back, making them all free and a 23-cent moneymaker. Now you can pick up whatever works best for you because a lot of products are included in this deal, but I'm choosing this because this is going to be the cheapest option for me because I do not have any of the $3 coupons. Okay guys, so the next thing I am picking up, there's no extra bucks associated with this. I'm picking up 2 of the Cetaphil at $10.99. That's $21.98. I have 2 5 off of 2 CRTs. I have a $4 CRT, and I have 2 of these $4 coupons. So that's $22 in coupons, which everything is going to adjust down. I'll pay nothing, but on Ibotta, there's a $1.50 rebate for each one. That's going to give me back $3, making them all free and a $3 moneymaker. Okay guys, so the next deal I'm doing is the Jergens. Now I'm not doing the deal with the extra buck. I'm picking up 2 of the small ones at $5.29, and that's going to be $10.58. I'm going to use this 4 off of 2 coupon, and I have a 5 off of 2 CRT. That's going to take $9 off. I'll pay $1.58, but there's nothing back. If you have the 3 off of 12 Jergens CRT, that's going to work for you. Hopefully an Ibotta rebate comes up and I'll get $1 back for each one, hopefully, but $1.58 is not bad because I have a few money makers. Okay guys, so Revlon is spend $12, get $4 back right here, and you can do this deal up to 6 times. So I'm picking up 3 of the Kiss Bombs at $5.99, and I have 1 of the brow pencils at $10.99. Even though it says Color Stay is excluded, I scanned it and it's still coming up saying that it's associated with the extra bucks. So for these 4 products, that's $28.96. I have a $5 off of 20 Revlon CRT. I have a $5 free product. I have a $4 CRT, and I'm going to be using 4 of these $3, well, 3 of the lip and 1 $3 coupon for the eye. So that's $26 in coupons, and I'll pay $2.96 and I'll get $8 back, making it all free and a $5.04 moneymaker. Okay guys, so I'm picking up 2 of the Huggies Wipes, and they're $4.69. I have 3 off of 2 CRTs. They are glitching and attaching to these only. It should be for the diapers and the wipes. So 2 at $4.69, that's $9.38. I also have a 2 off of 8 baby wipes CRT. So I'll be left to pay $1.38 for these 2 products. Okay guys, so this is my spend 30 get 10. I have 6 of the $3.29 packs of the treatments, and 1 of the conditioner at $11.99. So this is everything here on the floor. So for all these products, it comes to $31.73. I used 7 of the $3 coupons. So the 3 off of 1 coupons, I used 7 of those. That took off $21. I paid $10.73, and then I got back $10. making all of the products you see right here just 73 cents. Now, if you have a hair care CRT, like a 4 off of 18 or something, this will be a great deal for you. It will be a moneymaker, but I did not have any hair care CRTs, so it's just 73 cents for me, okay? Okay, so the Colgate is $3.99. Buy 2, get $4 back, and you can do this deal 2 times. So I'm going to show you an all digital deal. So you can pick up 2, that's going to be $7.98. There is a 3 off of 2 coupon and a $1 digital coupon that's going to glitch and come off. You'll be left to pay $3.98, but you're going to get $4 back, making 2 of them completely free. And this is a great deal for beginner couponers. So if you are new to CVS couponing, this is a great deal for you to start with. Okay, another deal is the Colgate mouthwash or the toothbrushes. So it's $4.49. Buy 2, get $5 back, and you can do this deal 2 times. So 4 of the products at $4.49, that's $17.96. Now you can use paper coupons if you have any. So I'm going to use 4 of the $1 paper coupons that came in this week's insert. So 4 of those $1 coupons, that's going to take $4 off. You'll be left to pay $13.96, but you're going to get $10 back, making it just $3.96 for all 4 products. And if you're new to couponing, again, this is a great deal you can start with. Okay, so this is my oral care deal. I put both deals together. It comes to $25.94. I have a 5 off of 25 Colgate CRT. I have the 3 off of 2 digital coupon, the $1 off of 1 toothpaste coupon that's going to glitch, the $1 mouthwash coupon, and I'm going to use 3 of the $1 mouthwash coupon for the other 3 bottles. That's going to leave me to pay $12.94, and I'm going to get $14 back, making it free and a $1.06 moneymaker. Now, I'm going to get $14 back because I did the mouthwash deal 2 times. So that's going to give me $10 and $4 for the toothpaste. Now, if you don't want the mouthwash, there are toothbrush coupons that you can use. So you can pick up the toothbrushes instead, and they're also $4.49. You can do the same deal, 4 toothbrushes and 2 of the toothpaste. It's still going to come to $25.94. And if you have any of the paper coupons for the toothbrushes, you can use 3 of these. So instead of using the mouthwash, you'll just do the toothbrushes instead. So this is it. I think I explained that. It's long. Okay, guys, so this is my Garnier deal. It's spend $15, get $5 back. And I'm going to pick up 2 of these at $8.29. That's going to be $16.58. There's a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, and I'm going to be using this 5 off of 2 paper coupon that's going to glitch and come off with the digital coupon. I also have a 4 off of 14 CRT. I'll be left to pay $2.58, getting $5 back, making it free and a $2.42 moneymaker. Guys, the Persil is $5.99. There's nothing back, but I have a $2 digital coupon and I have a $2 CRT, which is gonna make it just $1.99. So I'm gonna pick up one of these. Okay, guys, so I have a few Hallmark CRTs, so I'm going to pick up a few Easter cards. So I'm picking up 2 of these just because minis. They're $1.99 each. And I'm going to pick up 4 of the 99-cent cards. Now, I have a CRT for $3 off when I purchase 6. I have 2 of those. And I have one $2 off when I purchase 3. I do not need to purchase 15 cards, okay? I just need to meet the highest amount, which is 6. So all I need to purchase is 6, and that $8 is going to come off. So right now I am at $7.98 for these 6 products, and I have $8 in CRTs, which $8 is going to come off, making them all completely free. Okay, so on my other card, I have 2 of the $3 off of 2 products. So I'm going to pick up one over here at $1.99, and I'm going to pick up 2 of the 99-cent cards. So this will be completely free as well. Guys, so I wanted to point out that my free CRT adjusted down to $2.99 instead of $5. Even though it said one free cosmetic up to $5, it adjusted down to $2.99. So I'm guessing that's because of the $3 coupon. So I had that $3 manufacturer coupon, which made it adjust down to $2.99. Okay, guys, so this is the receipt. Everything came off as expected. I'm gonna go down. And this is on, well, I did the same deals on both cards, so I'm not going to show you both receipts. So everything came off. On this one, I used 2 paper coupons because I still had that digital. This is the digital for the L'Oreal, the Persil, and the 2 Huggies came off as well. Everything came off. That Cetaphil, the last one, adjusted to $3.98, making them completely free and a $3 moneymaker. Everything came off. And yeah, look at my taxes, guys. So my total came to $1.17. Taxes is $8.73. And I'm going to show you everything I got back. So I'm going to pop up everything I got back right here. So I did get back $10 for spending $30, which is that L'Oreal. I got $8 back for purchasing the Revlon. And I got back $10 for the Eucerin. So that's everything I got back. Okay, so I did the Colgate on both of my cards. I'm just going to show you one receipt. It's going to be repetitive showing you both. So everything came off as expected. I used 3 of the $1 coupons. The 3 off of 2 came off. The $1 glitch, the $1 for the mouthwash, the 5 off of 25, and I used $12, and I paid 94 cents plus taxes. And I got back 10 for purchasing the mouthwash and 4 for the toothpaste, making it free and a $1.06 moneymaker. So guys, this is everything I picked up this week at CVS. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!